An operating agreement is like the rule book for your LLC. It says who owns the LLC, who makes the decisions, and how money moves. Even if you're the only owner, you should have one because banks will often ask for it when you open a business account, and without one, your state's default rules decide how your LLC works. If you own the rental with anyone else, then this document really matters. Put in writing who contributed the down payment, how rent and expenses are split, who handles the tenants, and what happens if somebody wants out. Northwest includes free operating agreement templates in your account, and I'll also link one in the description. For a single owner, the template is a solid starting point, and if you have partners, it's best to have an attorney review it before you sign. You don't file this document with the state. You just sign it and keep it with your business records. If you've only been following along so far, and you're now ready to start your LLC, remember to use the link in the description to make sure you're getting the best available price with Northwest Registered Agent. Congratulations on protecting your investment, and I'll see you in the next video.